Have you ever wished for a handy tool to boost creativity? ChatGPT 5 is here to make that happen. This advanced AI can assist you with writing, brainstorming, and much more. Let's discover how to use this amazing tool effectively. First, go to the ChatGPT 5 website. Sign up or log in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see a friendly chat interface waiting for you. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Next, think about what you want to accomplish. Do you want to write a story, get answers, or brainstorm ideas? Type your question or prompt into the chat box. For example, say, "Help me write a short story about a hero." After you submit your prompt, watch as ChatGPT 5 generates a response. This AI processes prompts and provides creative responses based on vast data. You can ask follow-up questions or request more details to refine your content. Let's consider a relatable example. Imagine you need help with your blog. Start with, "What are some blog topics about travel?" ChatGPT 5 will generate a list of engaging ideas. Choose one and ask for more details. It's like having a writing partner who's always ready to help. In summary, ChatGPT 5 is a powerful tool for creativity and problem solving. You can ask questions, get suggestions, and brainstorm ideas seamlessly. Give it a try. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, follow us for more tips and tricks on using AI effectively. Start using ChatGPT 5 today.